Hi guys, welcome to today's session. And today we are going to discuss about Namami Ganga program, which is a flagship scheme of Government of India. And in this session, we will first see an overview about Namami Ganga program, and then we will see the implementation side of Namami Ganga program, and also finally we will discuss about few issues faced in cleaning Ganga River. So that's how I planned this lesson. Let's now start. Namami Ganga program is an integrated conservation mission. It is approved as a flagship program by the Union government in June 2014 to accomplish the twin objectives of effective abatement of pollution and conservation and rejuvenation of National River Ganga. It is being operated under Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation of Ministry of Jal Shakti, and the program is being implemented by the National Mission for Clean Ganga NMCG and its state counterpart, that is State Program Management Groups. And NMCG is the implementation wing of National Ganga Council, which is set in 2016, and it replaced National Ganga River Basin Authority. And it has a 20,000 crore centrally funded non-lapsable corpus and consists of nearly 288 projects. And the main pillars of this program are sewage treatment infrastructure and industrial effluent monitoring, riverfront development and river surface cleaning, biodiversity and afforestation, and also public awareness. So that are the pillars of this particular program. Now we will see the implementation side of Namami Ganga program. Under the Environment Protection Act of 1986, a 5-tier structure has been envisaged at national, state and district level to take measures for prevention, control and abatement of environmental pollution in Ganga. And that includes National Ganga Council, which is under chairmanship of Prime Minister. And this National Ganga Council replaced National Ganga River Basin Authority. And NGC, that is National Ganga Council, would have on board the chief ministers of 5 Ganga Basin states, that are Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. And besides it have several union ministers, and it is supposed to meet once every year. And then we have Empowered Task Force, that is ETF on River Ganga, that is under chairmanship of Union Minister of Jal Shakti. And then we have National Mission for Clean Ganga, and then we have state Ganga committees, which would be the nodal agency to implement the programs in a state. And besides, these committees would conduct a safety audits of the river and take remedial measures. And finally we have district Ganga committees in every specified district abutting River Ganga and its tributaries in the states. So that are the implementation mechanism of this particular project. And now we will see what are the issues faced in cleaning Ganga River. There are several issues faced in cleaning River Ganga. One is inadequate sewage treatment, that is in the Ganga River Basin. Approximately 12,000 milliliters per day sewage is generated, for which presently there is a treatment capacity of only 4,000 milliliters a day. So the point is 12,000 milliliters per day sewage is generated, but the treatment capacity is for only 4,000 milliliters per day. And then we have another issue is decreased ecological flow due to restrictions and decrease in the flow. The velocity of water decreases and siltation increases, and therefore minerals of the water settle down at the riverbed, and the decrease in flow has led to an increase in groundwater extraction for various uses. And another issue is cost overruns, that is an IIT report predicted that the cost of treating sewerage to be about 1 paisa per liter at 2010 price levels. However, the cost would escalate due to the fact that deadlines are not met. And next is Clean Ganga Fund. Is a fund which is under entities or a commoner can contribute for Ganga cleanup. However, National Mission for Clean Ganga could not utilize any amount out of this Clean Ganga fund, because the entire amount was lying in banks due to non-finalization of action plan. So that fund is not utilized yet, and there is lack of coordination, which is obvious. The cleaning of Ganga requires seamless coordination between the agencies responsible for carrying out different tasks. Jal Shakti Ministry signed MOU with 10 ministries for better implementation of this Namami Ganga program. However, till date, no detail is available as to how these ministries are functioning for better convergence. So that are the issues faced in cleaning Ganga. There are several other issues also. So this is a scheme or a program which often comes in the news. It is very important topic with regard to your mains preparation. So please keep studying this. So that's all for today, guys. We'll meet tomorrow with another topic. Thank you for watching.